Hey, my sister's gonna go get my dog a piece of peanut butter, and I'm sorry about the lighting. I don't know, but here, watch it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, ready, watch. I'm also doing for the house.
And she goes for more. Hayden, get out. Oh, poor puppy. Oh, here's baby. She goes for more.
Look at you.
What are you looking there? And they go for more. Why did they go for more? She gets it on her nose. He got it on his back, dude.
Yeah.
No. You're so mean.
You're right there. I'm right there. Right there.
Who is it? She's like, nah.
Right there. Come on. Right there.
He's all greasy. I don't think she'll lick it. Ew. You go pick him up after now.
Come on.
Oh. Looking air? Tastes good? Stop, dude. She's like a lizard. She's like a lizard. You gotta see if you can get it. I'm really hoping my hands are not on the cigarette. Hey, stop. Are you okay, baby girl? Are you okay? Oh my gosh, they're actually giving her actual peanut butter. That was soy butter. This is funny. This is mean. You're not good at getting them stuff. You get them all on his nose.
What did they do to try to get him in there?
Poor Emma.
When I smell it, I can't reach it.
I think she'd eventually give up. Of course she did. Stop.
Don't get him.
You look like a lizard.
There you go. Calm down.
Oh, tasty. Oh, I want that, give it to me. I want it. Where's it coming from? Blah, 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 blah. Soupy! And
that is how we live. You know. Hey guys, if you're bored and you have a dog and you have a jar of peanut butter, go give it to your dog. But don't worry. They do not like it. That's not right.